Hello boss, and welcome back. Today's chef said that he's going to be showing us how to make the most difficult meal you can ever make. It is harder to make than beef Wellington, more challenging than a rack of lamb, more difficult than prime rib, and harder to put together than the turducken. Heck, he says it's even harder, well, whatever the hell that is, it's harder than that. Let's go ahead and get cooking. Now, chef said you're going to want to start early in the morning, and you're going to start with a small bowl. Next, go ahead and place some cereal in that bowl. After the cereal's in, go ahead and start off by pouring a little bit of milk on there, and then a spoon. Okay, what's next? Oh, chef, you got us. Oh, you're a good chef. Yes, today is April Fool's, and as a team, we wanted to wish everyone a happy April Fool's Day. We hope everyone's having a fun, safe day today. We're not sure if other YouTubers are putting videos out like this, but here at the Cooking Corner, we like to have some fun. We haven't done one of these yet, and we're excited that it falls on a Thursday where we drop our videos. So happy April Fool's, everyone. We'll be back next week with a new video, so subscribe if you're new, and if you haven't learned how to make cereal by now, just go back about 30 seconds. So be safe, have fun, happy April Fools, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.